ठीक है, ले लीजिए इनको, फिर मैं बात करता हूँ इस पे।
अच्छा ठीक है, शुक्रिया। हाँ अहमद भाई बोले।
समीर भाई आप इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हैं?
आपको तो हिंदी आती है सर, हिंदी में बात करते हैं ना।
नहीं नहीं, मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, वो कह रही है कि अगर मुझे ना कुरान से एक भी आयत दिखाया जिसमें कहा गया हो कि काफिरों को कत्ल करो, जहाँ पाओ कत्ल करो, तो मैं जो है ना इस्लाम छोड़ने के लिए तैयार।
शी इज फॉरनर।
उसको उसको अरबिक लड़की है, वो कह रही है कि मुझे कोई भी प्रूफ दे दो कुरान से तो मैं छोड़ने
ओके
के लिए तैयार हूँ। वो बोलते आप नहीं दे सकते हो।
सो ओके, गिव हर फोन, गिव हर फोन,
ओके।
आई विल टॉक टू हर।
Yes.
Just look.
हेलो।
Yes, brother.
यस सिस्टर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Alaikum salam.
हाउ आर यू सिस्टर?
I am good.
Okay, mashallah. So you are a believing woman, I mean you are a Muslim.
Yes, I am Muslim, but I'm not يعني much experience about Quran, but I heard from so many Egyptian sheikh in Al Azhar that no ayah in Quran which say you can kill people without guilty or like this.
No problem, no problem. I can tell you, but the thing is, before I'm going to give you the reference, before that I want to tell you that you are an Arabic speaking person, right? So you can
Yeah,
read Quran with your own tongue, and you can translate and understand it very well, more than me, because I'm not from Arabic Peninsula, because I'm from India basically,
yes,
and I
of
am a
course.
former Muslim sister. I was Muslim before, but I left Islam and I become Murtadeen. So now you asking about the reference where actually Quran ordering to kill the polytheists and the mushrikeen and the kuffars. Am I
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Oh, okay. Let me give you. There are a complete specific surah in Quran which is named Surah Al Barat or Surah At Tawbah. The number of the chapter is 9, and the words from 1 to almost 150 something in that. But when you will read this surah completely, you will realize that what's happening over here. Just let me give you the first reference from Quran, Surah At Tawbah, verse number 5. Can you read this text, please, as you are Arabic speaking?
yes.
Yeah, please read it and explain it to us.
Uh, but be careful, even we are as Arabic, we are not speaking the Fusha. Especially we are
It's
Egyptian,
it- it's
we
it's
are
okay.
not
No
originally
problem.
Arabic.
No
But
problem in that. No problem. Go
by
ahead,
the
please.
way, the explanation is not the same. Sometimes it's not the same text. It has a different explanation.
No
So
problem. For that, we can use, we can use multiple explanation by your earlier scholars like Ibn Kathir, like Jalalain, like Tibri. We can use that. No problem in that. You can read the text and you can translate it for us. Please go ahead.
okay. بسم الله. فإذا انسلخ الأشهر الحرم فاقتلوا المشركين حيث وجدتموهم و- وخذوهم واحصروهم واقعدوا لهم كل مرصد فإن تابوا وأقاموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة فخلوا فخلوا سبيلهم إن الله غفور رحيم.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. That's okay. So, did you get what you are asking about?
Yeah, this text is telling to kill the mushriki, يعني the non-believers, okay,
Hmm.
and
Yeah.
but and if they make toba, if they are doing good, if they believe, then you can leave them,
Hmm.
right? Yeah, I didn't talk
After
about
accept Islam, if they are ready to accept
yeah, yeah,
Islam and they are
exactly.
ready to
No,
prayer and they are ready to give alamas, means zakat, so you can leave them. No
of
problem in that. But let me tell you first that this ayah of this surah is not for in generic terms. Actually, it is for some
it
specific
is not general.
mushrikeen.
It
No,
is
no,
not
no, no.
general.
No, no. Let me tell you first that this verse only is specific. This verse is not generic. It is not in general terms. It is about
Yes,
some
the
specific
point is
mushrikeen
that
who was
some
living.
people, they only cut one text and they And even the following ayah is telling something else. يعني this ayah وإن أحدا من المشركين
Yeah, yeah.
استجارك فأجره,
Actually,
which
what I'm
means
telling you.
if some
No,
yeah,
sister.
just
No, sister.
which
Just let
means
me
that
complete. No, just let me complete my point
yeah,
first, so you can understand what I'm trying to say actually to you.
yeah,
Actually, I'm saying, in this surah, in Surah At-Tawbah, only this verse, chapter number 9, verse number 5. This ayah is not specific. This is in not in general terms, because it's talking about some specific mushrikeen who was living around the Makkah at the time of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Right? But when you will go ahead and the downstairs, so it means something, some down. So when you will go to the verse number 29, so basically this verse is a generic terms, in generic terms, and it's replicable always till the day of resurrection, till day will survive. So here is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, قاتلوا الذين لا يؤمنون بالله ولا باليوم الآخر ولا يحرمون ما حرم الله ورسوله ولا يدينون دين الحق من الذين أوتوا الكتاب حتى يؤتوا الجزية عن يد وهم صاغرون. Can you
yeah.
translate it for us?
They are telling that kill the people who don't believe in Allah and don't make the things which is haram. They are not admitting that it is not haram until they pay the jizya. For example, if they pay the jizya, so don't kill.
Thank you so much. So basically, here are there are two groups actually. One group is kuffar mushrikeen, and one is ahl kitab. Jew and Christian. Do you know them?
Yeah, أهل الكتاب, it means Yahudi and Christian, Jewish
Yahudi
and
and
Christian.
Christian.
Yeah,
So also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala actually specifying in this verse of Quran, he's saying qatilul lazina, means fight with them, la yu'minuna billahi, who don't believe on Allah, wala bil yawmil akhir, and don't believe on the day of resurrection. Am I right?
yeah,
So this verse is for those who don't believe in Allah and the day of resurrection. So there are ordering to fought with them, to kill them, kital, to kill them, to fought with them, who do not believe in Allah and who do not believe in the day of resurrection, the last hour. And go ahead. They're saying wala yuharrimuna ma harram Allahu wa rasuluhu, means they don't consider unlawful what Allah and his messenger Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made unlawful for them. It means Allah made unlawful for me, khamar, wine and khamar, and
yeah.
some.
Haram things.
So if I consume alcohol, so it means I'm not considering that unlawful, which is Allah made unlawful for us. And at the same, if I eat pig, meat of
No,
pig,
no,
so
brother.
we
The
cannot
ticket
eat that.
explanation is not like you say. It's another explanation. Actually, I am as Arabic. It's
Okay.
another explanation.
Okay, can you
He's
explain for
saying
us?
those people who don't admit this. For example, I am Muslim and I am doing so many things. Even I can drink
Hmm.
alcohol. I'm just waiting for. We just make toba. I'm not angry. Okay. No,
it means you
example.
are not
Just
complete.
example.
No,
Not like
no,
this.
it means you are
Just
not complete Muslim, right? When
no,
you are
no.
consuming the
I never
alcohol.
drink alcohol.
And
I'm
and
just
don't tell me
giving
that you are
example.
consuming alcohol with halal chicken.
Just wait. I am giving example. I never tried this alcohol in my life, and this is. And actually, I tell you something. He's not my friend. He's my husband, but he's telling you this.
Okay.
I never drink alcohol. I'm just giving you example. If I drink alcohol, but I admit that alcohol is haram, then no problem. This is the text. But if I drink alcohol and say this is not haram, I'm trying to prove to everyone that it's not haram. I'm changing the belief for people. I'm changing the text. Then he say you can fight with them if they don't pay the jizya. There is one condition. It's not generally. I told him, I challenge you. If
No,
Allah
no,
said
no, no, no.
fight with
No,
people
no, no,
without
no.
faith, there is
I'm
reason.
disagree. Listen, sister. Listen, I'm disagree with you here because jizya came later on. Because if somebody is not believing on Allah, and if somebody is not believing on the day of the resurrection, at the same time he is not considering unlawful what Allah and His Rasul made unlawful for all the people, it means you are not following the Islam. Because what is the next line in this verse is la yadinuna din al haqqi, means you are not, tolerating or adopting the religion of truth, means Islam. You are not accepting that, actually you are not following that. So if you are doing this kind of things in your life, that you are not believing on Allah, you are not believing on the day of resurrection, you are not you don't made unlawful what Allah and Rasul made unlawful for you, and you don't made halal what Allah and Rasul made for halal for you, and it means you are not tolerating or adopting the religion of truth, means Islam. So if you are doing this, then we should fight with you, because we Muslims, because all the Muslims is ordered here by Allah, that you should fight with them who doing such kind of act. Okay. And at the same time, if some of the Ahl Kitab doing this, some of them from Ahl Kitab, and Ahl al Kitabi means the Jew and Christian, if they are doing it, so you can took jizya from them only, because in Islamic Shara there is no condition and no explanation to took jizya from mushrikeen and kuffar. You are
No,
ordered to kill
there is
them directly.
condition.
No,
Only if
no,
you are
there is
able,
nothing like that,
brother.
sister. There is
He
nothing like
make
that. If you can
he
show me
forgive
the
the old
reference.
people.
Wait, wait,
Listen,
wait.
he
No, no,
forgive
wait.
the
Give me
old
the reference.
people.
Sister, give me the reference. Give me the
There is
reference that
no
you can took
jurisprudence in
jizya
Quran that
from
you will believe.
kuffar and mushrik. Give me the
Listen,
reference.
brother. What is your
Yeah.
problem? I'm not defending Islam. I swear I'm not defending. I'm here to understand. I'm also need to understand. I am also lost. I'm not here to
Okay.
defend Islam only. Don't misunderstand. But
So
I want
now,
one video. I told him.
you will not counter me, sister. The basic criteria is, if you are here to understand Islam, if you are here to understand everything, it means you can't
I
deny
just
or
want
you
need
can't counter without
one ayah which
reference.
tell, give me one ayah that tell kill anybody who is not Muslim without reason. If there
Here
is
is the
reason,
ayah, sister.
where
If
there
you
is
understand the
reason?
context.
There is
No, no,
reason.
listen.
You want to
Listen,
live in
sister.
the country, you
If
want to
you
Muslim. I tell you
let
something.
me at least
You give me chance
let me
because you
complete
speak
my
too much.
sentence. You are not letting me speak, then you are not here to
No, you are
understand, then.
speaking all the time. You don't. I have the evidence, but you don't want to listen. I'm telling you, you don't want to listen to me. I have the answer. You don't want to listen to me. I'm really sorry for this.
Okay, 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 do one thing. You talk first, then when you will done now, let me know, I will
Now,
talk,
now,
and
what is
all
your
I will answer
problem?
you.
What is your problem about paying the jizya? If the Muslim
No.
people are protecting the other non-Muslim people and they are doing the war, they are doing everything to protect them. You remember when the Jewish fight with the Christian, who protects the Christian from the Jews or from other people, from Salibi people? Of course, the Muslim. Then at least if I am Muslim man and I went to the army, I defend you and you're just staying beside your wife. I defending you, I provide you safe life, and even you don't want to pay jizya, and the jizya is under certain condition in Islam. Only if you are able. In case if this non-Muslim is able, he can pay the jizya. And the old people mustn't pay. They shouldn't pay the jizya. Only the guys, the strong guys who are able, yani, with money, with health, with everything, they can pay the jizya. And there are so many ayah in Quran which telling لا إكراه في الدين and don't force anybody and لست عليهم بمسيطر, don't control them. So many. How come there is contrast يعني? There is no contrast.
Show the reference,
Okay,
please.
okay. No, no, no. It's okay. You had done, sister.
Yeah, I just need one ayah in the
Oh,
Quran.
oh, okay, okay.
But
You need just one
I
ayah
swear
in the
I will leave
Quran.
Islam. I
Now
promise
you
I will
now.
leave Islam and I will pronounce this to the whole world
I don't
if you
want you to.
give
I
me.
don't. First of all, I want to tell you one thing, that as I heard you very peacefully, very silently, I hope that you will do the same. Am I right now? Because you had done with your comments, you had done with your statement, everything you had done. So now let me answer you. Actually, whatever you are saying, that I should show you one single ayah. about this, that you can kill anyone or everyone. I never claim like that, that you can go anywhere and you can, pick anyone and you can kill them, slam them. No, I never like that. If you are in a war, actually, basically, if you are in a war, in a Islamic war, so you can uh, follow these things. But the problem is, for for conduct of war in Islam, there is, you don't need any, such kind of reason that you can do war in this situation or you can do in that situation. If you are capable to do war, if you are capable to propagate Islam, you will do it. You will, give dawa to anyone. If they will accept Islam, then it's okay. If they embrace Islam, that's great. If they will not, then you can ask them to ready to fight. I will fight with you, I will kill you, or you
Yeah,
can
of course
kill
this
me.
happened. Of course this
So
happened.
okay,
This
so
happened already.
basically, when you are saying that I show you a single reference, single ayah. So here is ayah 28 and 29. So basically, here is your early scholar Ibn Kasir, what he was saying. Allah command his believing servant who are pure in religion and person to expel the idolater who are filthy in the religion sense from al masjid al haram. After the relevant of this ayah, idolater were no longer allowed to go near the masjid. This ayah was revealed in the ninth year of Hijrah. It's talking about chapter number 9, verse number 5. When you will go to the innamal mushrikuna najasun fala yaqrabul masjid harama, they are impure, they are filthy. All mushriks are impure and filthy according to your Quran. So verse number
What do you mean by
28.
mushrikuna? Mushrikuna is something else.
Mushrikeen, mushrikeen, some actually they
Is
are
Ahl al-Kitab?
no, they are not Ahlul Kitab. They are mushrikeen who doing shirk with Allah.
What is
You
shirk?
know,
Is to praying for a stone, or what is
yeah,
shirk?
actually preferring for other God except Allah. You know,
Of course,
they are
this is
praying.
thing they are not supposed to
Huh.
go.
So basically, this is your belief. This is Islamic belief. This is not the belief of everyone. So where Allah is saying, unless it was a servant of one of the people of Dhimma. So whatever you are talking about, jizya, it's based on Dhimma. It's a Dhimma on Dhimmi. So if you are not following Islam, if you are not tolerating Islam, you should pay alamas, mean jizya. And it's not like the like a tax of a country, as any country, took tax from their citizens. So they took tax only from them who are capable to give. But if you are living in a Islamic area, in Islamic specific region, and you are not tolerating the Islam, you should pay your LMS, your jizya. If you will not pay, they will took it from you forcefully, because you are zimmi. Just because it's on you, you should pay the jizya, the LMS, because you are not tolerating the Islam. You're not supporting Islam by giving them, people power, main power.
I
So
tell you
basically, if
something,
you are not giving them them manpower, you should give them money. So with
And
that money, they
as you
can
are
they
telling
can
and
do
let
they
me
can do
add
war.
something, Siddharth bhai.
listen,
Let
listen.
me add something on your statement.
No,
Actually,
just listen to me because
okay,
No,
okay.
no,
We are here to
let,
Muslim
listen
let her
to
Muslim
talk.
you
must
Yeah,
only.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, okay.
No, it's
No
okay. Let
issues.
her
we
talk. Let
pay
her talk.
jizya
Yeah,
and we pay
please.
zakah, and zakah is fard. Yani you must pay zakah. So we are equal.
No, there's no equality in that, because you will pay zakah in that situation only when you
No,
have,
zakah is fard.
enough.
Five,
No,
five. There
it
are
is
five.
first
You have
in,
to. You
but
are
it
not
is first
Muslim
when,
until you pay zakah.
sister, let me
What is
answer
this for?
you.
This
Zakah is for in only one specific situation, when you have enough property.
okay. This
If
jizya
you don't
also
have
when you have
enough
enough.
property, no, it
This
is not
jizya.
for,
No, I have the
it is
reference
not
and
in
I
jizya.
bring for you.
Okay,
What
okay,
is
show me the reference, show me the
I
reference.
listen. At the beginning of our talk, I told you I'm not that much experienced, but there is
Yeah.
so many
No, but
evidence.
you said,
Even I,
why,
yeah,
why are
you
you
are
giving
scared
two
maybe
different
because
kind
you
of
said
statement?
before,
I have
and you are doing
reference, I
so
don't
great
know.
effort
No, why you doing,
to show that
sister? Why you
Islam.
doing this? At the same
I'm
time,
not
you are
doing this.
saying,
Wallah, I
I have
respect.
reference, sister. At the same time, you are saying, I have reference.
Against
At the
you.
second time, you are saying, I don't know much.
Yeah, I don't
When
know,
you
but
have
And
reference, show me.
another thing, Siddharth bhai, previously she talking about that she is not here to defend Islam, but she is behave like that. That she is defending that.
No, she's
That
not behaving
yes,
like that. She is actually doing it.
no,
She's
but
doing
you
it
are
yes,
trying
purposely.
to make
yes, definitely.
Islam like not a good religion. You are doing the same effort, brother. Wallah. I tell you something. My husband is same situation like you, and now he's living Islam. I didn't leave him. I swear he's living Islam. Even he's smiling. I'm not leaving him. Even me, I was lost because I'm not that much experience.
Okay. So,
But I
sister, let me tell you
reason
one
with
thing here. Now I'm not talking about you
you.
on war, on killing people. Just listen one thing only. If you are saying that your husband is already left from Islam and still you are living with him, it means you are violating the order of Allah in Quran, who says who are not Muslims, you can't marry with them, you can't
Man,
stay
when
with
he
them.
was
If you, even if you will stay with your husband after leaving Islam, so you are doing fornication, you are doing zina
Muslim,
with him.
him now
Okay,
to
sister.
be good, or maybe he convinced me. We make challenge if he convinced me to be non-Muslim, or I convince him to be Muslim. If he is right, I swear I will leave Islam. I am ready to leave Islam now. Even if you can give me one evidence, I will announce to everyone that I am not Muslim. I will leave Islam.
Okay.
I'm calling you for till now
Okay, what do you
since you
want?
don't give me anything.
What do you want for it? Tell me what do you want
I
for me?
want
Which kind of reference you want?
one evidence, and don't cut the text. You bring me, and for example, there is one ayah before and one ayah after the ayah which you choose, which explains something else. For example, when Allah say وَاقْتُلُوهُمْ حَيْثُ ثَقِفْتُمُوهُم in Surah Al-Baqarah, then people cut the text and say Allah say kill the mushrikeen and the non-Muslim. But if you complete the ayah, he say if in case only if they kill you, if they are trying to kill you, then you can kill them. Then people cut the text and say Allah say kill people. I don't want this. I want generally the surah, the whole page. What is the
Hmm.
message from the whole page, not one text?
Okay.
Okay. And for the
Did you have done, sister? Did you have done,
I pay
or you were
jizya
still
and I
talking?
pay zakah. I am not Muslim until I pay zakah if I am able, and they have to pay jizya if also they are able. Allah says this and mentions this if they are able. So we are equal. Now in Europe, people pay tax. In your country, maybe you pay tax. So what is the problem?
Just
No,
let me
no,
clear one thing,
no, no.
Siddharth
Just
bhai.
tell me one thing. एक मिनट शमित भाई, एक मिनट. Okay, sister. Just tell me one thing. I will give you the specific ayah. Definitely, I will give you multiple ayah. Okay, no problem. But before that, tell me, you are a true believer of Islam, right?
I was, but my husband is making my
No, no, no.
mind.
I'm asking
Yeah.
about you. No, no, no. I'm asking about you, not about your husband right now. You are the believer of Islam, right? So you are believer of Quran. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So if you are a believer of Quran and you believe that everything whatever Allah said in Quran is true and correct, and we should follow that,
No,
then
I'm not 100% sure because my husband says the Quran is man-made.
how much
Then
how
I
much
told
how
him
much okay, how much percent you are agree on this?
I am
How much?
Muslim by my heart only.
No,
Yani
but
I'm just telling the truth.
how much percent you rely on Quran? I'm asking you percentage. How
Wallah,
much?
if you
You
give
said
me
not
one ayah,
100%.
you give me one ayah, I will
Oh
be
my, oh my God,
more
oh my God,
Muslim.
sister, I'm asking. I will give you the ayah, but before that, I want to. Oh, I'm asking you something. Please
What
give
you
me the
ask
answer.
about my person? I have the right. You are bringing the text uh, which not
No.
with Islam.
Oh my
Give me
God,
one
oh my
text
God.
and make me comfort.
Brother. Hello, hello, brother. She's not listening actually. When I listen
Hmm?
her, completely, I listen you completely. Okay, sister, when I'm asking you something, you should answer me with honesty now. I'm asking you that you said you don't believe on Quran 100%. So I'm asking you how much percent you believe on Quran, that Quran is a divine book by Allah. How much believe you have on that?
Will tell you something. One day you will believe in Quran 100%, and you were sheikh. It seems like you were sheikh. You know all the turjuma and you know all the Quran and the explanation. It seems that you were very good Muslim and your iman was 100%, and now you are not Muslim. So suppose me, I am
let, let,
100%
let me tell you
Muslim.
let me tell you one thing. If you are saying that I don't believe 100% that Quran is the perfect book, or everything is mentioned in Quran is right, it means, my beloved sister, you are not Muslim anymore.
No, who
Because
told you?
if you don't, I told you from
No, no,
Quran
I
only.
believe, but because of
Quran is
what
saying,
what he said
Quran
to
is
me.
saying himself, sister, listen, Quran is saying himself, whoever believe in our some ayah and who deny some of them, it means
No,
they are not Muslims, they are munafiqeen.
I
Quran
am
is
really
saying like
sorry to
that.
tell you. You remember our Prophet Ibrahim when he went to the mountain and he say, "Ya Allah, give me evidence." He didn't say, "Ya Allah." He say, "If there is God, please give me evidence." And then the sun come, and then they say, "This is God."
Mm.
Even he was prophet. He was future prophet. And then
Mm.
the moon come and he say, "No, I don't believe. I don't like something come and go. So please give me evidence." Then Allah give him evidence and speak with him something story like this. So all of us, we
Again,
have
again, I'm
people have
asking you. Again, I'm asking you. Give me the reference that where Ibrahim said, "I don't believe."
it's
Tell
in
me.
Quran.
Give.
You know everything.
No, no, I
You
no,
think you are
I don't have,
better than me,
I
wallah.
don't have such kind of word by Ibrahim that he said I don't believe in this and I don't
Musa,
believe in that. He never said.
okay, there is
No,
nothing in
no,
Quran say this.
no, nothing,
Oh my
nothing.
God, what
If
is
you
about the
if you
story
can,
of
if you
Kalimullah?
can, if you can show me, I will accept Islam right now. Show me,
I am not
show me.
experienced, but there is so many, and you know
But
this.
why are you
You
still
hide it.
claiming like this?
Listen, listen.
If
Tell
you are
everything.
not experienced,
Don't take
if you
what you
did not
want.
read any of your
You
books,
just
what, why are you
take
claiming like
what
this?
you
That is
like.
the main problem.
इच्छा में तो भाई
Tell
रुक जाओ,
people,
इच्छा में तो भाई
tell,
रुक जाओ, रुक
tell
जाओ.
people all the
Sister,
stories.
when you claiming something, you should prove by the reference, not by the mouth.
I am not a
This is my
sheikh. If you
humble.
are talking with a sheikh, of course he
If
will
you
teach you
are, if you
everything.
are not a, listen, if you are not a sheikh and if you don't have reference, then you should not claim about anything when you don't have reference.
If I am a sheikh, wallah, why I need the evidence now? I need
No, I just want to know, if you are not a sheikh and you don't have reference, so how can you claim without reference?
I am
I'm asking
coming
you
here to
this.
help me, brother, because you are very
Okay, then I'm
ignorant.
telling you there is not such kind of ayah in Quran where
Okay,
Ibrahim says
but
I don't believe in
but
this.
we studied the story of Ibrahim, we studied the story of Musa, so many things.
Yeah, but
They will
but
not believe.
Ibrahim never stated that I don't believe in this. Allah never said.
So tell me the story of Ibrahim. Yalla, you are
There is a
know more
there is
than me.
That's a very long story. How can I tell
No,
you in some
only wait,
specific
wait,
time?
only three words. He
That
was
is
And
irrelevant.
that
studying.
is
That is
your claim,
irrelevant.
Siddharth bhai. Just
Even
ask
if
her
you
one
know the
thing. That
story,
is
you
her
have to tell.
claim. So why we supposed to read those story for you?
There is two people in the. Oh my God, two people are fighting. I need
No,
to
no,
answer
we are
only
No,
not
one.
fighting
no,
actually.
we are not fighting. We are talking with you, sister,
No,
because you
brother,
are our beloved sister.
devoting all your
First of all, I
times
want
and
to.
you
First
make
of all, I
great
want to tell you.
effort to
Wait,
prove that
wait, wait.
Islam is
Oh
not
my God,
real.
sister, you know what is
Hold your
problem with with you?
breakfast.
Yes.
Ichha mein to ruk jao. Ichha mein to ruk jao. Let me
No,
tell
been
you the problem with you, sister. Let me tell you. Actually, you are not ready to listen, even understand. You can't understand if you will not listen someone completely. Okay. So first of all, listen my argument
refuse. When
completely.
I ask you something, you
Again,
refuse. Tell you
Oh
again,
that
my god.
Ibrahim,
again,
you
again,
refuse.
again.
You make me crazy.
Again. You are talking in middle, sister. Again, you are talking in middle because you are not ready to listen here. You are not here to listen.
Okay, brother, yalla, complete. Sorry, complete. I will not
Okay.
speak.
Thank. No, no, you will speak when I will complete now. Then you should speak. Okay, sister. But till the time I'm talking, I'm telling you something. Please listen that carefully so you can counter me in a well manner. The problem is this: what I'm saying to you. The thing is, when you are calling me brother, I really appreciate it and I really loved it that someone calling me brother, because I love to call you my sister. Even you are important more than my real sister, because when I say someone to sister or brother, we respect them like that, that they are important for us more than our real sister and brother. But the problem is, if you are a true believer of Quran, you can't, you know, call me brother. You can't take me allies according to Quran, because your Quran in chapter number 3 verse number 28 is clearly saying you can't make allies accept Muslimins, and I'm not Muslim sister. I'm a ex-Muslim. I'm a murtad, but you are calling me brother. So you are not allowed to call me brother according to Quran. Let me show you. So if you are a true follower of Quran, you can't call me brother. Let me show you. This is the
Okay.
verse from Surah Al Imran, the chapter number 3, verse number 28. What is saying? لا يتخذ المؤمنين الكافرين أولياء من دون المؤمنين ومن يفعل ذلك فليس من الله في شيء إلا أن تتقوا منهم تقاتا يحذركم الله نفسه وإلى الله المصير. This is not permissible for a Muslim to call brother or friends to a non-Muslim. If somebody will say like that, and if somebody will consider some non-Muslims as a friend, they are from them, they are not Muslim anymore, according to 328. And when you will go to the chapter number 5, verse number actually 51 and 82, the same thing is mentioned over there. Surah Al Maida, chapter number 5, and verse number 51. Again saying, le, again saying, what is saying 52? Wait. 5 की 51 ही है ना? मैंने गलत तो नहीं खोल दी, but 5,
It's
हाँ
enough. One
51.
ayah is enough, brother. Let me
Okay,
answer one ayah.
no
You are
problem, no
going from
problem.
10
Let me show you one more. Let me show you one more. Okay, so you will surely find the most intense of the people in animosity towards the believer to be the Jew and those who associate others with Allah. So basically, Allah is talking about mushrikeen and Jew here. They are not your friends, they are not your brother, and you are calling me brother. I am a kafir, I am a mushrik, and you are calling me brother. How can you say like that according to Quran? Even you can't take your own mother and father and brother and sister as your allies if they are not Muslim. Let me show you again, chapter number 9, verse number 23. Let me show you that if you can't take them allies, even your own mother, sister, and brother too. See, يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا الآباؤكم وعزوانكم أولياء إن اشتحب الكفر على الإيمان ومن يتولهم منكم فأولئك هم الظالمون. O you who have believed, do not take your fathers and your brothers as allies if they have preferred disbelief over belief, and whoever does so among you, then it is those who are wrongdoers, who are zalimin. What else you want,
Okay,
sister?
let's go to the first ayah that you show me. Okay, we have to start
Mm.
one by one. صح?
It's
Or we will
okay.
choose some. Okay, the
It's
first ayah
okay.
that you show me, yalla. Bring it again.
328. Yeah, 328. Let me show you again.
Okay.
Yeah, here it is, sister. Go ahead.
Allah say لا يتخذ المؤمنون الكافرين أولياء. Do you know what is the meaning of أولياء? It is not means like
Allies.
listen to me. I give you chance. Okay.
Hmm.
أولياء is
No, you
means
asking me now. That's why I'm answering.
okay.
You was asking me, and that's why I answered.
Oh, okay. أولياء
Hmm.
means you are my, you know what mean of wali? Wali is that I am following you من دون الله يعني I believe you more than Allah. I follow you more than Allah. You are my wali. He doesn't say don't be brother in humanity. No. Allah say you are, even you are not a believer, you are my brother in humanity. And the evidence is he said in one ayah من قتل نفس بغير ذنب ومن يحيى نفس من يحيى نفس كأنما أحيا البشر يعني if you help someone or make him alive it's like you help all the humans. And he didn't specify يعني he didn't select Muslim or not Muslim. He speak about all the humanity. So you are my brother in humanity. Okay, but he say لا يتخذ المؤمنين الكافرين أولياء يعني I cannot take you like a friend, like a wali, like I am following you all the times and everything. Okay, so this is different meaning. Okay, brother. يلا
Okay,
let's go.
you had done. You had done.
Of course, but there
Now,
are so many ayah.
okay. Now let me prove you wrong, that your understanding about this ayah is completely false and wrong about it. Because what Quran saying here, just
How
read it
false?
again with
Allah
carefully.
told the
Now
people,
you now
marry
now you are
marry
violating the rules. Now you
my
are
daughter
violating the
and
rules.
marry a
Now
non-Muslim.
you are, sister. Now you are violating the rules. I didn't interrupt you. Now let
Because
me
you are telling
complete.
fault and it's not fault.
No, but let me prove you. Now that what I'm saying.
Yalla,
If
prove,
I
give me.
if I will
I
not
need.
prove, what I'm saying, then I'm wrong. You are right. But let me prove now. Okay. So just let's
Oh,
read the ayah completely once again and let's understand it. Let not believer take disbeliever as allies rather than believers. If you are saying that here allies means that you are following them, you are more than Allah, you are everything for me. If it is means allies means is this with disbeliever. So if what it is allow with believers, that you can call a believer, oh my god, you are my everything, you are more than Allah for me. You can't say like that now with to believer also, because nothing is more than Allah for you, for a believing woman or a believing person. So when you are saying such kind of statements, you are quoting, you are saying such kind of word, it means you are making yourself fools, not us. Because Allah is clearly saying here, let's not believers take disbeliever as allies rather than believers. Means you can do same with believers, but you can't do this with disbeliever. It means Allah is not saying here that you can took them as more than me, because you can't took them a Muslim, a Mu'min also more than Allah. So your
but
argument was very very illogical and very
what
false.
what is false? You say that Allah said, if you call me brother, then you are out of Islam. Where is the ayah which says
Yeah,
this?
because I'm not
Allah say
Muslim,
awliya'a, يعني means true friend.
because
I
I'm
followed
not
you.
Muslim anymore. I'm saying you the same thing. You can't take me allies or brother or or sister or friend, because I'm not a believer. I'm a disbeliever according to your belief, because I left Islam and now I'm become a disbeliever. So you can't take me as allies, and allies means friends and brother and a companion,
If
not not
I
more than
call you
Allah.
our brother,
Because
if I,
if it is means, listen, because if it means is more than Allah, and more than that his order, then it can't be with believers as well. When Allah is allowing you to do this with believer,
brother,
tell me.
when I called you brother, like I'm calling you brother, it means respect. It doesn't mean that I'm
I
following you
I
or you
really
are my
appreciate
friend.
that. I really appreciate that, sister. I
Because
said
you
you
say,
are a
why you
very
call
nice
me brother?
person, and I
Cannot
really appreciate
please.
it that you call me brother. But according to Quran, you can't say like that to me,
No,
because I'm not a Muslim.
this is wrong explanation. You make it wrong, or you don't. Maybe you don't
Okay,
understand.
okay.
Maybe you
I
don't
want to know.
understand.
I want to know. You are a woman, right? You are a woman.
Yeah.
What Allah, how Allah treat in Quran a woman? Can you
Don't
explain?
take me from ayah to ayah. Now you are mistake in this ayah. Okay.
I'm
Let's
going ayah.
confess.
I'm
Let's
going ayah
admit.
to ayah. I'm going via ayah to ayah.
Because you say
I show
Allah
you the
say,
ayah. You answer,
don't
and
take me
I
brother.
actually
Where is the text which say Allah say, don't take me brother? Where
I
is the text?
already explained you. I already explained
The
you.
explanation is totally wrong. From where you getting
You
this?
even can't take your own father and on your own brother as a allies. If they are not Muslim, they are not believer. But if they are believer, you can take them. No problem in that. Allah is saying in Quran
No,
that
Allah
you
say,
can
don't
take
follow them.
allies. No, Allah is clearly saying if
No, no.
your brother and your father. Let me show you again the verse number 23. Let's go to this verse. Here Allah is clearly saying, oh you who believe, means all Muslims, do not take your fathers and or your brothers, means your the real one father and the real one brother and the real one sister and the real one mother. Because here is not only for father and brother, here is la yatakul momina aba'ukum wa izwanukum, means everyone from your own family. So you can't take them as allies, allies. Why? Because if they have preferred disbelief over belief, they preferred disbelief over belief. But if I preferred belief over disbelief, so you can take me as a allies, no problem. Because there is a hadith, a specific hadith. Akul Muslimin, Akul Muslimin. Muslim is brother of a
Brother, the
Muslim.
clear, please. لا تتخذوا آباءكم وأخوانكم أولياء. It means don't follow them in their belief. يعني
Okay,
if your
no problem.
husband
So
is
you
not
can follow
Muslim,
you
you
can
cannot follow
so
him.
you can
But
follow
it doesn't
you
mean
can
that
follow
he's
a
not.
Muslim, means you can follow a Muslim more than Allah. You can follow. No, no.
What is mean by follow? The ayah is telling,
Yeah, that's I
don't
want to
follow.
know now. What is the meaning of
For
follow?
example, if my husband now is not Muslim, okay, he say don't follow, but it doesn't mean that he's my enemy now. And you also, I cannot follow you. I cannot take you my wali. My wali means
Yeah, so the same
free
thing I
from
want to
you.
know that how I become your enemy if I left
And
Islam
tell
or
me
if I
how
don't believe in Islam. So
tell me
how I'm
how
your
Allah,
enemy?
even Allah allow me to marry non-Muslim. Allah allow me. He
Where?
says
No, no, no. Where
allow,
Allah
sorry, allow my
allow?
husband,
Well,
sorry,
well.
allow my husband
No, no, no,
to
no, no,
marry
no. Where
Yahud
Allah
Jew.
allow? Where? No, I'm not talking about Yahud and Christian. Did Allah allow you to marry with a Jew with a Christian?
No,
Did
sorry,
Allah
I
allow
was
you to
telling
marry?
about my husband. Yani the man can marry.
No, I'm not asking about your husband. I'm asking about you. Did Allah
Okay,
allow you to marry with a Christian and with a Jew?
brother, I was telling you my husband by mistake. I
You
said
are
my
you
brother
are
to
you
you.
are not giving me answer. I'm asking about
What?
you, not about your husband. Did Allah
No,
allow you
no,
to
you not
marry
allow
with
me.
a
Why
Jew
I
and
follow him?
Christian?
Of course, why I follow him? Why I marry a non-Muslim?
Exactly, my born sister.
But
So
it
Allah
doesn't mean
only
that you're not
allow.
brother in
Wait.
human.
Wait. Now let me answer because you didn't answer me.
Brother,
Now
you're
let me
trying
answer.
to make
Allah did not
not
allow
fair.
a believing woman to marry with a Jew and a Christian, because if you will marry with a Christian and with a Jew, you will go to them and you
Yeah,
will follow them. But
but
if
he
a
said
woman,
it's
if
okay
a
for you,
woman
brother.
came
Why
to
you mix
wait,
the things? Why you mix, huh?
what, you
Why
mixing the thing. You said
you
that Allah
don't
allowed me to allow me to marry with a non-Muslim, where
you
Allah allowed you to
telling
marry
me
with a
that
non-Muslim.
Allah will not accept you as a Muslim if you call me
Actually,
brother?
I
Who
did not
told you this?
understand what's
From where
wrong.
you get
Actually,
it?
because as a viewer, it's very irritating if both of you are talking in the same time. I'm sorry to say that, but it was very irritating.
What you want to say? You told me don't call me brother because Allah will not accept you as a Muslim if you call me brother. I told you who tell you this, and then you bring me
Sister,
this
sister,
ayah which has
listen.
different meaning,
Sister,
which
listen.
meaning which listen to me. This
Sister, listen. No, no, no. Listen. Hold on,
follow,
hold on. You
and
already
now
said
I'm
this
not
sentence
following you,
more than
but it
10
doesn't
times.
matter if I respect you.
You already stated this statement more than 10 times. Why you are repeating again and again only
What is
one sentence?
repeating? Because you are stuck in one thing and it's totally wrong. What is this?
भाई
You say only.
ये सुनने वाली चीज नहीं है ना, ये समझने वाली चीज है। ये नहीं समझ
Maybe he
सकते
want
भाई
to
इसको।
escape from the conversation. Wallah, you make me
No, no, I'm
motivated.
not. No. I'm not skipping. I'm just alert, telling my friends that you are not ready to listen. When you are not ready to listen, how you will understand? The problem is
You
when
you
you are
make you
talking
make
about
finish.
again. See again.
Okay, brother, yalla tell me. But
You
please
don't
don't
have brake in
explain
your
wrong to
you don't
people.
have brake
No,
in your car, sister. You don't have brake in your car.
what is this? I cannot be patient because you explain wrong. You give the wrong meaning to people.
So
The text doesn't
just tell
mean
me
this.
one thing. Just tell me one thing. In previously, you ask you tell Siddharth Bhai that you did not read all of the books properly. You don't have any idea. And
Yeah, but it's
how
clear
did
to
you
the
know that
blind.
he
I speak
just
Arabic also, yani.
no
This
no
ayah is
and
clear to the blind, yani.
okay
It
Now
okay
doesn't need
you
what he's saying to listen, sister. What he's saying to you, he's saying that when you claim that you don't know much about Islam, so he's asking how you can say
and now
that I'm misinterpreting the thing when you don't know. How you can say like that?
because you say Allah will not count you like Muslim if you call me brother. Then you bring me one ayah which means uh, I cannot follow you, and now I'm not following you. It doesn't matter if I
Okay,
call you brother. Why you make
okay,
the things mix the things?
okay. You had done, sister. Now
Yes, I.
listen to me. When you was actually proving that you can took me as a allies, you said Allah allows me to marry with a
No,
non-Muslim.
I told you I'm
I
mistake.
want.
Okay, I told you I was going to say my husband. Then I mistake.
Okay,
Yeah, it's okay if
okay. Did
people mistake.
okay? It now you are saying that it was for your husband. Means
Yeah,
you are accepting that it was not for. It is not allowed for you to marry with a non-Muslim.
of
You are
course.
agree with this?
because I
Okay,
cannot.
thank you so much. Now my next question is your husband allowed to marry with the mushrika and with the kafira?
My husband is allowed to marry from Ahl al-Kitab, or maybe if
I'm
he
not
marry,
asking. I'm not. Ahlul Kitab is not mushrik and they are not kafirs. I'm asking about the mushrik and the kafir. Did
you know the information.
is your husband allowed to marry with a Hindu girl, with a Jainism girl, with a Buddhism girl, with a atheist? Is your husband allowed to marry with that girl after being a believers?
After being a believer,
Yes. Is your
yani,
husband allowed to marry with a Hindu girl or with a atheist who don't believe in Allah and who don't who is not from Ahl al Kitab? Can your husband marry with them?
uh, actually I don't know, but I think so.
Okay.
You have the,
But
you
I know.
can tell me,
But
you can tell me.
I
Yeah.
know that your Quran is completely prohibited this, that you can't marry with a mushrika, with a kafira who's not from Ahlul Kitab and who's not believing in Allah, who's not Muslim. You can't marry with them till they embrace Islam, until they accept Islam, until they become Muslima. You can't marry with them.
Are you sure about this? Because even our prophet
I'm
married non-Muslim, even our prophet
okay.
married
Okay.
Christian.
Okay. Let me show you the reference. Okay. Let me show you the reference.
Listen to him, okay? When he's speaking, don't interrupt. Okay, okay. When he finishes, then you can tell him.
I'm not stopping you to talk, sister, because you are here to talk to me, and I'm ready to talk with you. But the thing is, you should listen my argument, and then you can counter me. Let me show you the ayah from Quran that your husband even not allowing to marry with a polytheist and with the kafira. See,
Okay.
this is chapter number 2, verse number 221. ولا تنكحوا المشركات ولا تنكحوا المشركات حتى يؤمنن. Do not marry polytheist women until they believe. Yes, sister.
Hmm.
You are asking me about my 100% surety. So here my surety in your Quran, and now I'm 1000% sure.
Yes. Okay, but the man in Islam is allowed to marry Jewish and Christian, and I'm 100% sure about this, and everybody know this.
I agree. I
Okay.
agree, but the thing is, there is a reason behind it, and you know what is the reason behind it to allowing a man to marry with a halal kitab woman? There is a reason is that actually, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam wants to convert everybody into Islam. When they was fighting with the mushrik, with Ahl Kitab, with Jew, with Christian, then they conduct raids, and after killing the non-Muslims, non-believer, they took their family women's as a captive, as a ma'amalakat imanukum, right hand possess. Okay, so after that, when they become your right hand possess, if they embrace Islam, or if you want to make them free, uh, then you can marry with them. It was allowed for a Muslim that if he don't have that much if he is not that much capable, that they can pay the dowry price, means ajrahunna, they are not capable to pay the dowry price, then they can marry with their own slave who came from halal kitab, Jew and Christian. But if you captured a woman who is not from, she is not from Ahl al Kitab, she is a polytheist, she is a mushrika, and she is a kafira, then you can't marry with them. You can took him as a slave. You can use her. You can have sexual intercourse with her, as she's your ma'amalkat aymanukum. She's your malkal yamin. So you can obviously you can have sexual intercourse with her, but you can't marry with her.
Okay, brother, there is no evidence about this. Yeah, if she wants this he can marry her ملكة يعني ملكة أيمانكم. He will take her as a slave. He can marry her. He will give her freedom not by force, and then he marry her. Okay, no evidence that he can take her, that he forced her or make sexual with her. No evidence. And I want to clear something.
مؤمنون.
Listen to me. We all
You are
know that
talking
there are
about, you
in
are
text
talking
of
about force here,
why
sister.
you
When you
tell
know,
me about
that
Israel speaking about
no, no,
Quran.
no, when you know that very well, that if you took a woman as a captive, as a sex slave, then it's a force itself. It's a force itself, because nobody want to be your want to be in your possession. Nobody wants to be wants to be raped by you, but you are doing it. Every Muslim was doing it, and they will do it again if they will, have some concubine, some malkal yamin. They will do it because it is permissible in Surah Al Mu'minun, verse number 5 and 6, and in Surah An Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 24. Even all married women are also allowed to have sexual intercourse for a Muslim if they capture a married woman. Let me show you again from chapter number 4, verse number 24. What is saying? And also prohibited to you are all married women except those your right hand possess. So if you made malkal yamin, a married woman, that is also allowed to have sex for you. That is halal, and it is not only for with your wish. Even this is the decree of Allah upon you. Kitab Allah alaykum. This is ahkam.
I cannot see the Arabic
Kitab.
ayah. I am just seeing English now. Where is the Arabic ayah?
Okay, let me
This
share with
ayah
you.
is about
I'm
how
sorry. I'm sorry.
who's it
I'm sorry.
marry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad. My bad.
Or
I
sorry,
didn't
maybe
share
you
that.
forget.
Yeah. I
I
forget to
hope
share.
you are not.
This says والمحسنات من النساء إلا ما ملكت أيمانكم كتاب الله عليكم. And also prohibited to you are all married women except those your right hand possess. So if you capture a married woman as well, you can have sexual intercourse with her also, because that is allowed for you.
First of all, you know what is the meaning of Malikat Aymanukum in Arabic
it
language?
is it is not rape, sister. You will not consider it
Do
as
you
a
know
rape
what is
when
the
you are
meaning of
having sexual
Milk al
intercourse with a
Yamin?
married woman whose husband is still alive. If you are having intercourse with her, it is not rape in your
No,
view.
actually, it is not like this. Milk al
without her
Yamin is something
consent.
else. Milk al Yamin is something else, brother. Don't mix.
What is that?
The ayah
What is
is clear.
that? What
Milk
is
al
the
Yamin
meaning of
is
milk al yamin?
Milk
What is the
al-Yamin,
meaning of milk al
it
yamin?
means, for example, if there is some man, he is able to give the sadaq and he is able to give mahr and marry. Okay, okay, he can marry. There is
Okay,
milk al-Yamin. Okay, there is.
okay.
Let me complete.
So you know, no. I understand. You are saying that they are wives. They are wives of without mahar. You are saying like that, right?
What is wives?
No. Who told you this? Where is the reference that you should marry with the malkal yamin before having intercourse, before having sexual intercourse? Can you show me the
What
reference,
is
please?
before having? Of course, you make mistakes, Aya. Everything is clear, brother, but you are
No,
going
no, no. I'm
misconception.
asking you about the
And I
reference.
don't
Please give
know.
me the reference that you can have sexual intercourse
Actually, I
with
think
those
you will be the
those
reason
malkal
to your
yamin
next wife.
who you married. I'm asking you, please give me the reference where it is mentioned that you can have sexual intercourse with those malkal yamin only whom you married. Show me the
and
reference, please.
and I am asking you to give me the evidence is that you can take this milk al-yamin, you can make intercourse with her before marriage, and then you marry her.
Oh,
Give me
okay.
evidence
Let me show
also.
you. Very nice, very nice, very nice.
Okay.
I already showed you that if a woman is already married, it means you can't marry with her again when she is already married, but you can have sexual intercourse with her as she's in your possess, and it is allowed. It is allowed for you. What I
Come
showed
again.
you then.
Come again, please.
Okay, what I showed you in this ayah, that if a married woman
لا, read
who
the
is already married, listen,
ayah.
listen, who is who is already married, that is also prohibited for you till she become your right hand possess. It means if she's married, but she's become your right hand possess after the war as a mali ganimat. I mean, means as war booty. She came into your possession. It means she's halal. She's allowed for you. It means you can have it sexual intercourse, because there is, as Allah is talking only about the women, which is halal for for a man to having sexual intercourse. Complete, read the complete ayah. And also prohibited to you all are married women except those your right hand possess. This is the decree of Allah upon you, and lawful to you are all other beyond these, provided that you seek them in a marriage with gift, means with dowry from your property, desiring chastity, not unlawful sexual intercourse. So basically, Allah is talking about intercourse here, and He is allowing all the married women who is in your possession. Sister, I proved you.
Okay, can you tell me what is the meaning of غير مسافحين, please, for me?
Yeah, Gaira Musafihina is a very different thing, because Allah there Allah is talking
Small brother, what is different? Now we see
about.
different.
Let me tell you, na, in this single ayah, Allah is not talking about one terms only. Allah actually talking about different kind of allowance of sexual
So
intercourse
why you
for
didn't
a
say this
Muslim.
from the beginning?
Oh my God, oh my God, you are not understanding.
What me?
And
I don't
The
I
main
become
what
problem
غير
is when
I
Siddharth
become
was
please,
tired.
showing all
brother,
of the
don't speak.
reference to you, you did not
Mm.
listen, and after that, you are asking for the same
Brother, you are
reference.
two. I'm speaking with one person,
No,
please.
no,
No,
I'm
please,
talking
please.
Why
about telling the
in
नहीं
problem, main
reverse?
नहीं रुक
problem.
जाओ यार, रुक जाओ यार यार, शमित भाई रुक जाओ, मत बोलो कोई बात. Okay, let me show you from a different place that
Yeah,
it is
yalla,
allowed.
come take
She
me. If you
she
cannot prove something, take me to next ayah.
no,
What
no,
is
no
this?
problem. No, 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 no. I'm explaining you from Surah Al-Mu'minun that there are difference between married women and right and possess. Okay, this is Surah Al-Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 4 and 5. Just read and 4 and 5. Sorry, 5 and 6. And they who guard their private parts, والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون. لفروج, Allah is talking about lifruj, means the private part. From whom? إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين. Except from their wives or those their right hand possess. It is allowed in Quran to having sexual intercourse with your right hand
Habibi,
possess.
ما ملكت أيمانهم also means wife. Yeah, Habibi.
No, why Allah?
What is
If
this?
they are also no, listen. If they are also wife, then
Oh,
why
you make
Allah?
me laugh.
Differentiate between wives and my right hand possess. If they both are wife, then why Allah explaining them differently? Why wives
You
and
don't,
right hand
you,
possess?
you,
Why
you,
Allah?
you don't know anything. Really, I thought I am coming here to take my, yani, to take science from you, but actually you mix the things, and I don't know. يعني ما ملكت أيمان, you know, even the slave can be a wife also, and then you say أو ما ملكت.
I know that, that a
Yeah,
slave
then
can be wife, but after freed her. Listen. If you want to marry with a slave now, you should make her free first. Then you can do agreement jawaz with her. If you will do jawaz with her, if you do will nikah with her, then she can become your wife. But after become
first of all,
freed, and
first,
let me complete my sentence. Why you interrupting in middle all the time?
okay, because you are actually
No,
don't be sad from me. You are going there.
you are doing it purposely, because you are not here to
I cannot
understand.
be patient because you are giving
Listen
up
now,
myths.
sister, I will give you the chance to talk. Complete chance, okay? You are saying that if a right hand possess, a malkal yamin also can be wife. I agree with this, but before becoming wife for a right hand possess malkal yamin, it should be must to make her free first. If you will made her free, then she is not slave anymore, she is a free woman, right? And if she become free, after that you can marry with her. If she is a believing woman, as I showed you from the Quran, that you can only marry with ahl al kitab women, or or free Muslim or mu'min women, right? So you can marry with a Muslim girl. So if you made her free and she embrace Islam or she accept Islam, then you can do marriage contract with her, means jawaz. So then she become your wives. It doesn't matter you give her dowry or not, because her freedom is her dowry. If you made her free, so it's her dowry, it's her price, which is you already paid by made her free. So here she become wives, not malkat aymanukum anymore. But Allah here in verse number 6 surah al-mu'minun, Allah is saying, please, please save your private parts, guard your private part, except from whom? Except your wives and right hand possess. It means Allah is saying that your wives and your malkal aymanikum both are halal, and you are allowed to have sexual intercourse, both of them. Allah is explaining here differently. If they are also wife, why Allah will describe here differently? He will say on straightforwardly that it is allowed for you to have sex with your wives only, that's all. Yes,
Okay,
sister, now you can talk.
okay, my turn. What I want to tell you, you know, in English language, for example, the word sun, it has two meaning: the sun in the sky, and also my son. Okay, even it's same pronunciation, and some words in so many language, same writing and
No,
same
spellings are
pronunciation
different.
and different. Ah,
Spellings are
yeah.
different.
No, Habibi. In Egyptian, in Arabic language, there is al-gubn and al-gubn. It means the chains and being coward. Same pronunciation and same writing. So you are when you I what I notice now when you are explaining the ayah, you say except from their wives and their rights. You know this, or if you add and, it's big difference. Okay, wallah. I am not experienced. I am not you think I'm experienced, and I'm because of my way maybe I'm defending. I'm not defending, but I need reason because I am still this kind of ayah malk al yamin and the slaves make me crazy. One day I wanted to see why, what is this? But till now, when I ask anybody, when I read the translation, when I search, no strong evidence, it's another meaning, but people are giving misunderstand, giving explanation wrong. And till now I notice that you say and, it is not and, it is aw, yani or, except from their wives, yani means if you have wife, okay, if you don't have wife, then the milk yamin. Okay. M- I
Okay,
wallah I don't know
you had
anything.
done, you had done.
I am
No,
more
no, no,
experienced, but
you had
wallah
done.
make mistake.
You had done or not yet?
Yeah.
Still you want to give
Yalla, take it
give
to the next.
give us more? If you still want to give us more khutbah without reference, you can do it. I don't have
What
any
is the
problem,
difference?
because
You give me
you are not giving me the reference. I gave you multiple references, but
what is multiple.
you didn't.
Now if you
Oh my god, she's sick. She's sick, man.